Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to export the model from MaxSurf to the Rhino. There are three ways to export my surface from MaxSurf to Rhino. The first way to do it, we can go there and turn on all the lines. So it looks like this mesh thing. I go to File and Export DXF. I go to 3D DXF and I'll pick Polylines. So the exported file will be just polylines, not faces, not solid, not mesh, just polylines. So I'm going to hit OK, right? And this is going to be my first trial. Alright, save, and I'll go here, import first trial, and then open. So here I find out that all my lines will be in my Rhino. So I go to here, grid, turn off the grid, and here will be the lines. So if I want to make the surface, I can go to sweep to rails, or I can go to curve network. I'll pick curve network, right, and let's say this. Let's just isolate the surface and go to the properties and uncheck the box. So here is going to be the surface of my ship. Alright, so let's unhide all of it. Okay, and I'll move this away. So this is the first way. The second way to do it, I'll go here. Let's just hide all of these, and I'll go to File, Export. Right, and I'm going to pick the 3D DXF. So either faces or meshes, doesn't matter. So let's try the faces first. Okay, this is going to be the second trial. The second trial, this is the faces. Alright, and then also export 3D meshes. Second trial, that's going to be the meshes. I hit OK. Let's import both of them. Let's import the faces. Alright, okay. So these are the faces. So whenever I select the faces here, it's going to say one open mesh. So these are meshes. If I exploded the mesh, okay, so he told me that there are 6,144 faces of the mesh, or meshes. Alright, so these are the faces. Let's put that here, and let's import the meshes. Okay, so here is the meshes. I think it's way better if I go to render view. I think it's better from the faces. Well, the last way is going to export this DXF Then go to the 3D IGES and I'll select NURBS surfaces. So the NURBS surfaces, this is going to be the third trial. Here the IGES file, let's input that here. Alright, this is the face or the NURBS. So if we take a look here, we'll find out that the face, the NURBS is way better, or the most perfect one, or I can use the lines here to get a surface. So whenever you want to export the hull of the ship from MaxSurf to Rhino, you have to export it as IGES file and pick NURBS. That's all. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe to my channel.